Good morning, students, and welcome you again to another online class from Monbesha School. I'm here to take the class of English Literature Standard 7. Already we have started with chapter 5, that was Witch in the Forest. Let's continue with the same chapter and see what happened to the injured elephant. So yesterday I explained you from para 5. Okay, we have seen that one more person joined them, that was the veterinary officer, and he had no experience of treating any injured elephant, but still he is here to treat the elephant. Okay, now the main question is that first they have to locate the elephant, and that is a big problem for them as the elephant is always moving with his herd. So they planned that first they will chase the herd of elephants away so that it becomes easy for them to treat the elephant. Now let's see what happened. From para 8. Our next plan of action was to ask the enthusiastic villagers for help to locate our patient. Here the patient is the elephant. Okay. Now their next plan is to locate where that injured elephant is actually at the stage of time. After about half an hour or so, two boys came running up and told us that they had found the elephant standing alone in one corner of the forest. So then they sent two boys to locate the elephant, and about half an hour later the boys came and they gave the exact location of the elephant, that he is standing in one corner of the forest. We set off for the spot in our jeep. Spot means that place where the elephant is standing, with our two young friends as guides. Why they are called as guides? Because they know where the elephant is at present, so they accompanied them so that at least they can show them the route. Another 10 minutes and we were there. Now everyone reached that place. The injured elephant was standing on a slight elevation just across a depression created by a dry stream. So the elephant was standing on a slight elevation just across the depression created by a dry stream. Depression means the lower surface than the area around it. So the elephant was standing in that place. Subrata was asked to prepare his syringe. Now Subrata, he was the doctor. Okay, he was asked to prepare his syringe. Syringe means injection. His experience so far had been limited to tranquilizing mostly monkeys where time was not of the essence. Okay, that means where it's not, time was not important factor. Okay, but here it's very important, as the main thing is that the elephant is suffering a lot. The injury is deeply, so he is having a lots of pain. Tranquilizing, I said, when the anesthesia that is given to make the people or animal unconscious. He had therefore not thought of keeping the syringes ready. Shown admirable calm, he had therefore not thought of keeping the syringes ready. So he know that he will going to get enough time, so nothing is ready with him. Showing admirable calm, he spread a cloth on ground and arranged all the medicines on it neatly and methodically, taking all the time in the world. Okay, so showing admirable calm, what he did, he spread a cloth on the ground. Okay, he spread one cloth on the ground, and then on the ground on the cloth he arranged all the medicines that was required on it neatly and methodically. That means what are the things he will require, step by step he arranged it accordingly. taking all the time in the world. That means he did all his work very quietly, taking time. Taking care not to alarm the elephant any further, we urged Subrata in hoarse whispers to hurry. By that time, a small crowd had gathered behind us, ready with a battery of advice. Horse means horse means. So as Subrata, he was taking too much time in arranging all his necessary things, so they had to tell him in a little rough way to be a little hurry. By that time, a small crowd had gathered. That means already few people are there and they are ready with a battery of advice. That means everyone is suggesting something or the other. By this time, Subrata was ready. Now he is ready. The frightened elephant had begun to move, limping visibly. Too many sail poles stood between us and the animal for an accurate hit. Subrata went forward slowly with his dirt gun, and I followed to provide moral support and advice. So now by this time, Subrata is ready. The elephant got a little frightened by seeing all these things and too many people. Too many sail poles stood between us and the animal for an accurate hit. That means everyone was ready so that they can start curing the elephant. First, they had to make the elephant in between them with his dirt gun. Dirt gun is the gun that shoots an arrow containing some medicine. Okay. And I followed to provide moral support and advice. Moral support means to encourage him that he can do whatever work he is doing, he can do or he can get success in his work. Keep it still here and try to read how they cured the elephant. Okay, try to understand the remaining part of the chapter. Your homework is you will read chapter 5. Full chapter you will read. Thank you.